Welcome back to our countdown to Splash. This week we have the privilege of bringing on Mr. Nathan Christmas on with us. How about we start with just having you introduce yourself, Nathan?
Yeah, my name is Nathan Christmas, like you said. I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. I've been with Archetype for about a year now, so I've really enjoyed my time here.
Awesome, love it. So it's been a year. We're past the honeymoon phase. Still loving it, I hope. And
Yeah.
I'm asking everybody, what's been your favorite part of working here at Archetype?
Well, I think the thing that stands out to me is the camaraderie that we have, even in like this new era of like remote consulting, right? That can be kind of hard to maintain and navigate. And I think Archetype has done just a really good job of that, and just creating this team atmosphere. Because I think that, having my own prior working experiences is something you hear often is, a lot of workplaces have this me first mentality of like, you keep everything to yourself and you try to do what you can to promote yourself, right? But at Archetype, there's like this mentality of, your success is my success type thing.
Mm.
So, when you win, I win. And that just creates this atmosphere that, for me personally, as a junior resource, it is like the most conducive environment to learning, right? So for me, learning and having all these experts pour into me, because when I'm successful, they're successful. When we see that happen, that process happen, it just creates this healthy environment that just keeps winning.
Totally. And that's awesome. I like the aspect of your success is their success. I like that line. I might use that. We're now 7 weeks away from OneStream Splash Conference, which I know we're all super excited for. And I know you got to be a part of the Nassau Re project, and we're presenting with that this year. Give us a little bit of a rundown of the work you did on that project and kind of your role in it.
Yeah. So, my role, again, like I said, was a junior resource. And actually, I want to say it was my second week at Archetype. I was hands on the keyboard with Nassau, so it was right to the grind, and which was awesome. And I got to, play a role under John Moorhead as he designed, and I kind of got to build. Man, just his expertise, learned from him. I've learned so much from him, and I'm very grateful for his knowledge and willingness to pass that on to myself. But, I just think that even the rest of the team, they poured into me in such a way that, I was able to be, have some sort of, significant, production in terms of getting this done. And I'm just really, really grateful for their influence in it. But then also, I would say OneStream provided us with a blueprint, right? And so it's like this design that's already in place that you can kind of reference. And so for me as a junior resource, being able to look back to that and reference that in terms of like looking towards what a finished, just this product, what it's going to look like at the end, and just being able to reference that and kind of see, the methods that were used and things like that. It's huge for my own learning and edification. And I just think that was overall a great experience with Nassau. Great client.
Love it. Yeah, I know. I'm super excited to present with them, and they've been a lot of fun to work with. And so now, overall, being more green to OneStream space, what have you really loved about OneStream in general?
Well, in my experience, one of the cool things is, hearing the client's needs, right? And then having a product that is so malleable to satisfy those needs, right? Just in the end, be able to, provide something that is so tailored to, a client. I've really been impressed with OneStream's ability to be able to do that. And with a team like Archetype with all these experts and experience in it, it's awesome to see, where we're able to take that finished product to.
Yeah. I think it's really cool too with, you had zero OneStream experience prior to Archetype, correct?
Right.
Yeah. So the fact that you were able to come in and get plugged into a project so quick and create so much and drive so much value already shows a lot of what OneStream's a complex tool, I guess you would say, or platform. But the simplicity of it for you to be able to get in and already drive value in projects is just awesome. So I appreciate you coming on, Nathan. And I know everyone's been extremely impressed with how much you've been able to grasp the OneStream platform already. So keep up the great work there. And for everyone else, tune in next week for our next countdown video.
Awesome. Thank you.